What's up everyone? Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Before we begin, make sure to hit the like and subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon. We're posting 4 videos every day, so make sure to check back every single day. We've just hit 20k subscribers, so thank you all so much. Let's get to 30k and get a deal in the description if you haven't already. Plenty of free crypto and goodies down there. This is not financial advice. Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Let's begin. What's up guys, so just before we begin, make sure to hit the subscribe and the bell icon. People aren't seeing our content and this is probably because you haven't hit the bell icon. Thank you again for all your support. The algorithm is slamming a lot of content creators right now, so we really appreciate all your support. And we're so proud of the amazing community that we built, so make sure to jump into the Telegram and the free Discord. So we're just taking a quick look at Verasity here, and as we can see, still looking really good on the long-term time frame. Massive area of consolidation, huge pump on fundamental news, big correction when we had the big correction in the market, higher highs and higher lows. Now looking like we're finding a really nice amount of support in the range that we're currently sitting in. On the hourly time frame, you can see we are still ranging sideways here, heading back towards the bottom of the range to retest before a bounce. You can see here, obviously, the bottom and the top of the range being tested multiple times here. This is a really strong range that has been going on for a while. You can see for Verasity, we did break out of those resistances that we were talking about in this area here. And once that happened and we got the back test, we come up, retest the top of the range twice, obviously rolling over here now to retest the bottom of the range. But overall, Verasity looking highly correlated to Bitcoin right now. We did have a nice little pump to the top of the range off the back of the Brightcove fundamental news. But obviously with the market sentiment still being quite bearish, we are waiting for that explosion for Verasity based off that news still. Obviously, the fear is pricing in a lot of the upwards price movement right now and, keeping the price suppressed for Verasity. But we do think once the market does start to explode to the upside, which we can strongly imagine this would happen in the next month or so, with Bitcoin continuously crabbing to the side and all that new demand that is going to come in with the new year. The volume has been really low recently for Bitcoin. We've just been heading sideways. The market's trying to decide what's going to happen, but we do think Bitcoin to 100k this year at the very least. And if that's the case, we are going to see Verasity have a really nice breakout as well. You can see here for Verasity, we have just on the 4 hourly time frame. Let's take a look here. We obviously had that head and shoulders formation that a lot of people were talking about with the breakdown target, where we pretty much came down to perfectly where the head and shoulders was actually at. And now you can see that we are potentially, just going to be crabbing sideways for a while until Bitcoin does start to figure out what it wants to do. But we're sitting on a very strong area of support here, in and around, what is this, from around that 2.5 cent to 3 cent area, we would say. And obviously if we came back down, retested the 618, that would obviously be fantastic to see. A lot of people saying that we're forming a head and shoulders like this, but we don't see it yet because we haven't actually come back up and retested this level here around 5 cents yet. And to be honest, in our opinion, once the market does start to move up, if we come up here and break through this level at 4.5 cents and back test it, we're probably going to be heading up through the Fibonacci's again, basically heading back to the upside. So, a lot of people saying this head and shoulders formation here for Verasity is going to come to fruition, but in our opinion, we don't think that we are seeing it just yet. Obviously, if that was the case, we would have a breakdown target all the way back down to like 1.5 cents or something down here. But realistically, we don't think that, considering the demand for for Verasity right now, that it's probably going to be, we're not going to see it roll that low in our opinion. We obviously could come down here, retest the 618 and get like a really good bounce in this area. Obviously the 618 being a really big area of support. That would be around a 70% correction for the all-time high, by the way, which would be a massive correction in a bull market. But recently we've seen more and recovered from it. So realistically, we are just waiting for Bitcoin to head up, basically. We could see one last test of the lows for Bitcoin before the bounce, but realistically, in our opinion, we are going to see Verasity have a really nice pump by the end of the bull market. So short-term price predictions, obviously expecting the bottom of the range at 3.15 cents here to be tested and to get a bounce in that area, maybe coming down towards that 3 cent level or as low as 2.9 cents, something like this before getting the bounce. Anywhere in this area here, we could easily see the bounce back into the range. Obviously targeting the top of the range as our short-term price prediction to the upside at 4.33 cents now. And we want to break this resistance here that's slowly descending, currently at 4.6 cents. What is this here? 4.5, oh my God, I can't even speak right now. 4.5 cents. There we go. At around 4.5 cents, that's where we want to be heading towards, and then breaking out and getting that continuation basically. So as we said, Verasity, a really top quality project. They've recently rebranded all their stuff. Looking really, really bullish, getting huge amounts of adoption. And now that they've got the partnership with Brightco, I mean, we could easily be seeing Verasity over $1, we think, in the next year or so, which would be obviously a really exceptional gain from here, probably around a 33x. If we're at 3.5 cents right now, then we could see, 33 times would be about $1. So really, really strong project. Really do think this is going to do well in 2022. So I'd like to thank everyone so much for their support. If you've got any questions or suggestions, please leave them down below, and don't forget to subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon, to stay up to date with 4 videos we post every single day. Remember, if you want to support the channel more directly and get a ton of benefits and insight, as well as joining our growing community, consider the Patreon or YouTube membership down below. There are 3 tiers giving you access to our private Discord. Crypto Supporter is available if you just want to help us out a small amount. Crypto Maximalist is our main tier, which gives you access to detailed daily technical analysis and signals, weekly and monthly coin calls, and insights into our personal moves, while Maximalist Gold takes it a step further, giving you an insight into our personal portfolio tracker, super low cap gem research, and a 100x portfolio we're constructing and updating, and access to us personally as a resource to discuss your portfolio via Messenger. Make sure to check it out. You can also sign up to our free Telegram and public Discord via the description as well. All the links are in the description for affiliate links for discounts and free crypto, so go check them all out below. There's plenty of goodness on offer. Please like and subscribe. We are Crypto Maximalists.